Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. Then in the pop-up, select Close to disable your location. If you wish to enable it, click on Turn on location. I will go with Close though, so when I click and go back, I can see that location of my Motorola is off. In order to switch it back on, tap on the same icon again. If you wish to, you can always go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Location over here. Then manage it by tapping on this switcher next to Use Location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!